So the biggest difference between 911 and other franchises is the amount of support. We understand that many of our franchisees come from a completely different background and with no real experience in the restoration industry or in any similar industries. So for us, the whole onboarding process is very educational. We make sure that our prospects and our new franchisees know everything they need to know before going into this new business. But more importantly, after they open, we are still there walking them hand by hand throughout any type of situation in the business. They have 24/7 technical support, 24/7 customer service, and we are literally there to help with anything they need, along with the one-on-one mentor that will have a weekly or a monthly meeting with them to analyze all different aspects of the business and see how we can help that franchise become a more successful branch.